Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to disable startup programs in Windows. If you are new to this channel, please scroll down, press subscribe, and leave a like. Now let's dive right into it. First, go down to the search bar, click it, and type Startup. Then, click on Startup Apps. Wait until it loads, and here you will see all the programs that start automatically when you turn on your computer. I'm going to disable Microsoft Edge because there are just so many better alternatives. I'm also going to disable Microsoft Teams since this is not my work computer. I might disable Steam as well so the computer starts faster. If I need to start it quickly for some fast searches, I don't want to wait for Steam games to load. Now let's disable some other unnecessary programs that slow down your computer's startup. If you found this video useful, please scroll down and leave a like. Thank you for watching.